It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. In this video, I will show you on how to simply message sellers on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, started. So the very first thing you want to do on your Android phone or iPhone is to make sure you have download and install Google Translate app on your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Translate right here. So right here you can see Google Translate. Make sure you download and install this particular app right here, because this is the app you can use to convert from one language to another. Now, when you download and install it, whether you are using Android phone, search for Google Translate on your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, if you are using iPhone, search for Google Translate in your App Store. So what you need to do is to make sure you download and install it. After a successful download and install, click on here. And this is where you choose your language. That is the language you understand very well. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm putting it in English language. Then I'll go ahead and make sure I choose Chinese Simplified right here. Make sure you choose Chinese Simplified right here, because we are communicating with Chinese people. So now, once you set up your Google Translate right here, exit from here, then go ahead and launch your Xianyu shopping app. So let's say, for instance, I want to talk to this particular store right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the product link, and it open up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on this yellow icon right here. So click on here. Then this is going to open up right here. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and exit from here now. Then I have to go ahead and open up my translate right here. Then what I'm going to do is to type right here, enter text. Hello, my friend. Can you please tell me more about the item? Okay, then I'll click on here now. Then I'll make sure I click on here to copy the text. Once I copy the text, I will go ahead and go back to my Xianyu app right here. I'll paste the text right here, paste, then I will send. And just like what you see right here, the message has been sent. And any moment from now, the seller is going to respond to my message as long as they are available right here. So you can see the message has been read. So it's that simple. So you can see the response from the seller right here. So right here, we can screenshot and make a translate of this part of the response right here. So for you to screenshot and read the response from the seller, so I'm going to simply go ahead and make a screenshot right here. Then once I make a screenshot, then I'll go ahead and open up my Chrome right here. Then click on this camera icon. Then I select the screenshot. Then I select translate. Then just like so, you can see the response right here. Ship randomly. Just like so. Then you can also translate to whatever language of your choice. If you do not understand English language, click on here and choose any other language right here to translate into. It's that simple. So you can go ahead and continue chat with the supplier. So what do you mean by ship randomly? Okay, so I'll click on here to copy it. Then I'll go ahead, go back to my Xianyu app right here. Then I'll paste and send. Then let's wait for the response from the seller right here. So you can go on and continue to have a conversation with the seller on Xianyu app with this simple method, or how I message sellers on Xianyu app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import, ship products from China using Xianyu shopping app or Idlefish, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.